Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to blink an LED by switching the push button and check for debounce with the MSP430G2 launchpad using Energia. For this example, we can use the launchpad by itself by utilizing the onboard push button, or we can use an external circuit with a push button and pull-up resistor connected to the launchpad. We will show you how to set up with the onboard button. To start, simply plug your launchpad to your computer over USB. This example demonstrates the use of push button as a switch. Each time you press the button, the LED is turned on if it's off or off if it's on. It also debounces the input, which means checking twice in a short period of time to make sure it's definitely pressed. Without debouncing, pressing the button once can appear to the code as multiple presses. The millis function is used to keep track of the time when the button is pressed. Now let's go over the code for use with the onboard push button. Open up Energia. We will import an existing code example by going to File, Examples, Digital, Debounce. In the program, pin 14, which has green LED on the launchpad connected to it, is set as output in the setup function. Here, the LED pin refers to green LED, which is set as output. The push button, which is connected to pin 5, is set up as input. The pull-up resistor connected to this pin is enabled. In the main loop, the state of the push button is saved in the variable reading by using the digital read function. If the state of the push button has changed from its previous stored state, then the time at which it was pressed is obtained with the help of millis and saved. If the button state did not change for a time equal to debounce delay, then it means that it is the actual current stable state of the push button, and this is reflected accordingly in the output pin connected to LED. The next line, we will write the current button state to the LED using the digital write function. Finally, we want to save the current button state for next time we go through the loop so we can compare. After we compile and program the launchpad, we can begin our visual verification of the code execution. When the button is not pressed, we see the green LED is on. We press the button and the green LED turns off. As we hold the button, we should see a steady output from the LED. Without debouncing, the LED would flicker as we hold the button. And that's it. Now you know how to set up debouncing on an onboard or external push button with the MSP430G2 launchpad using Energia.